bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial. I just want to let you guys know that this was not a talk through. I'm like, my wisdom teeth are in the middle of growing right now, so I have like a bad toothache, so I did not talk through this video, but I will be talking over it later when I'm feeling a little bit better and in less pain. So I did film this 2-braid tutorial. I showed you guys how I installed it, glued it down, melted it, did my little baby hairs or whatnot. And yeah, so this is hair from Eon Wigs. I'm wearing a 24-inch water wave full lace wig from them, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, don't ask me if I'm gonna sell this wig because it's probably a no, because I'm real in love with it. It's like it's real full. Even though I have like these 2 braids in, it's still really full. And I think I'm gonna try to do like some more styles with it. And I ain't gonna lie, I kind of want to keep this for a little bit, so I don't know. But you guys should definitely check out Eon's wigs. The lace was very nice. The knots bleached perfectly. I had like 0 issues with this wig at all. So it is a full lace wig, and I've clipped the back of it. I just clipped my backs together. This is my cap, but I just let this part hang. You guys can glue it down if you want to, but I never glue the back of my wigs down. They get caught in my neck, and I don't even do updos anyways. If you really do updos, then I suggest gluing the back if you want to put it in like a high ponytail or high bun, but I don't do that, so I never end up gluing the back of my head. So yeah guys, if you guys are interested in this, then I have all the descriptions listed below. Throughout the video you'll see the hair information, and I have everything in my description box. So yeah, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using Eon wig. This is a full lace wig in the pattern water wave, and I'm wearing it in a 24-inch. And this is just how the inside looks. So I'm going to go ahead and begin by putting the wig on, and I'm going to fit it onto my head, and I'm going to be taking some scissors, and I'm just going to be cutting around my ears. So this is basically how it's looking after I cut off my ear tabs. I'm gonna take my comb and I'm just gonna part my hair in the middle. I will be rocking it in the middle, and I always like to part my hair in the middle before I do anything to my wig. That just lets me know that the wig is getting applied on in the center. I'm going to be taking my hot comb, and I'm just going to be pressing out the part. That's going to basically help define the part and put the hairs in position. After that, I'm going to be taking some face setting powder, and I'm just going to put that along my hairline. This just basically gives me like a guideline of where not to go past when it comes to applying the glue on my skin. I'm going to be using Ghost Bond Supreme, and I'm going to put that above my hairline. As you guys can see, my hairline is like way back there. I really do be pulling my hair up front just for the sake of my hairline and my edges. I really want to protect my edges. So now that I've applied my second coat, as soon as the hair turns clear, I'm going to go ahead and place it right on that part. So I do my hair in 3 separate parts, the middle, and then my left side, and then my right side. So there goes my middle side. I just lay it on top of the wig, and I start pressing it down with my fingers. As you can see, this wig is so bomb. Once I put it down, it automatically just starts melting with the lace. Y'all, I am feeling this hair. I brought the camera closer so you guys can get a better look. And I'm just going to go ahead and press that in, and then I'm going to do my right side and then my left side. And I'm also going to be taking my comb throughout this tutorial, and I'm going to basically use that to press the lace more into my skin. So now that I have my 3 sections glued, I'm just going to be taking my finger and just rubbing the hair through the lace and just smearing it and making sure it all melts together. So now that the lace is on, I'm going to go ahead and realign my part, and I'm just going to try to perfect it as much as I can by using my wax stick. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use my hot comb, and this is basically going to give me a more sleek and more defined part. And now my favorite part ever, the baby hairs. So I'm gonna start my baby hairs. I have like a full detailed video on how I do my baby hairs. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and head over to my page so you guys can watch that. But I'm just going to be using this edge toothbrush that I'm using right now, a razor, and I'm going to be using She's Balm Collections Balm Glue. That's what I use on my baby hairs at the very moment. It's what's working for me, and I'm in love with it. I be like real serious when it comes to the baby hairs. Like I have this whole serious face on and I'm just sculpting them baby hairs. Like I do not play about my baby hairs.
What we do here is go back.
Alright y'all, so now that I finished the baby hairs, this is basically what it's looking like. The hair is so pretty. Like I'm in love. She said stiff wear. So I'm going to begin by parting my hair. That's how I'm gonna do my first braid. I'm just gonna be parting a part kind of in the middle, but right before my ear, and then I'm gonna go ahead and brush that piece of hair out. Now that I've got the hair ready, I'm just going to go ahead and begin to braid it. And I'm going to be braiding it, not going too backwards, but more going backwards and then straight down to like the side of my head. That's the flow that I'm really going in right now. So this is how the first braid looks. I'm gonna say the first baby hair. This is how the first braid looks. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one now. So now that I've finished braiding the hair, I'm going to go ahead and put some of my noodle head curl cream in the hair. And I'm basically going to be running this through the hair just to get the curl pattern popping and get me ready. I did put a little bit of water in it, but not too much. So this is how it looks as the final results. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Thank you guys for watching.